Hello everyone, this is lesson 25, session 2 homework. I'm going to work out 2 problems just to get you started. So we can start with number 1. Number 1, you are finding, they tell you what the area is, so you are finding the missing letter X. So we can start with breaking this into shapes that we know how to find the area of. To start, we could start by finding the area of this shape, which would just be 6 times 7, which equals 42. And then finding the area of that little rectangle, that would be 10 minus 6. This length would be 4. 4 times x is just 4x. And we have to set both of those equal to 54. So we have 42 plus 4x equals 42. Whoops, not 42, 54, because that was the total. That's where I got that from. You can minus 42 from both sides, minus 42, minus 42. 4x equals 54 minus 42 is 12. So divide by 4, and x equals 3. I did that really quick, but I hope that it makes sense. Moving on, number 6 is pretty tricky, so I will do that one. So once again, we have to break this into shapes that we know. So I'm just going to go straight across. This area of this rectangle would be 40 times x, whatever x is. So 40x. This one would be 1/2 times by the length on the bottom, which would be 40 minus 25, which is 15. So this is 15 times by, we don't know what this height is right here, but we know that it would essentially be 34 minus x. So that's just what we have to write because that's all that we know. So 34 minus x. Okay, and then we can distribute this 15 into these two. That would be the first step. So I'm going to rewrite this 1/2 because we didn't do anything with it yet. 15 times 34 is 510. And then minus 15 times x, which should just be 15x. So now that we have this, we can divide all of these by 2, because that's what this is. Times 1/2 is just divided by 2. So 510 divided by 2 is 255, minus half of 15x is 7.5x. So that's this plus 40x equal to this. So we have 40x, which was our rectangle, plus our complicated triangle, but it's okay, 255 minus 7.5x, and we're going to set that equal to our total, just like we did before. Okay, we can combine some things here. So 40x minus 7.5x is going to be 32.5x. Plus, we didn't do anything with this yet, 255 equals 970. Okay, now this is just solving for the equation. So minus 255 from both sides. And that's 32.5x equals, and 970, let me see. 970 minus 255 is 715. My last step when solving for x would be to divide by 32.5. 32.5. And these would cancel out. I'm left with x equals 715 divided by 32.5 is 22. So x equals 22. I hope that helps.